Do you want to be a content creator on TikTok? Do you have a camera? Do you know how to voice over? Do you know how to speak in front of the camera? That's pretty hard, right? What if I tell you that you can be a content creator on TikTok without lifting a finger? You don't need a camera, you don't need to voice over, and you don't even need to speak in front of the camera. Yes, you heard me right. You want to know how to do it? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. If you effectively use the platform, TikTok is flooded with money that may end up in your bank account. On TikTok, a large monetary reward is not given just because you have a lot of followers or likes. In most circumstances, concentrating on engagement and building long-term relationships with users who are enthusiastic about your posts will be the more profitable strategy. Knowing what kinds of content the app likes to prioritize is the secret to success with TikTok. Make your material native, which means making videos that can be watched and appreciated while still inside the TikTok app. This is a good general rule to follow. Today, I will teach you how to be a content creator without doing a lot of work. All you have to do is to search for a motivational quote, download free stock footage, create your video, and add music. That's it. Easy, right? But first, take a look at these two TikTok accounts for inspiration. They are uploading motivational quotes and gaining a lot of viewers and followers. First one is at Wealth Luck. All they are doing is uploading stock footage and then putting on a quote, doing voiceover, and they will add a piece of inspirational music. The next one is at All Hustle. They are also uploading quotes with stock footage. They didn't even bother to do a voiceover, but they still gain a lot of viewers. You can do that too. In this video, we will teach you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Find a quote. The very first thing that you need to do is to find a quote, motivational quote. It can be anything. It can be about love, life, challenges, finance, or absolutely anything as long as you are consistent with your upload. Look for a quote that you think will gain a lot of views when you put it on TikTok. You can find it on Pinterest. Just go to Pinterest.com and search for motivational quotes. Step 2. Download stock footage. You can find a lot of video footage that does not have copyright issues, plus it's completely free to use. You don't have to pay for anything just to have a video. Just go to pixels.com or pixabay.com. You can find many free tools online that will let you download stock footage with no copyright. Just choose any footage that you feel can fit your codes. You can select nature, beach, or mountains, absolutely anything. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comments section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks. And now, let's continue. Step 3. Create your video. Your codes and your stock footage are now all set, right? So let's get started and create your video. Don't worry, this is so easy. Even if you are not a video editor, you can do this. First, go to vid.io. Upload your downloaded stock footage. Actually, vid.io also has stock video footage that is ready to use. But if you want more options, you can also download videos. Go to the settings, click on size, and look for the TikTok size since TikTok will be our platform for today. It will automatically turn your stock footage to be suited in mobile view. Add your text, the text that you acquired from Pinterest. Just click the subtitles. This way, it can be easier. Select the timestamp for your text. Let's say for the first line, in time is 0.00 and out time is 0.05 seconds. For the second line, let's say in time 0.05 and out time 0.10 seconds. Arrange your text and make it bigger so it can be read easier. You can always select a font style that you want. Just click Style. If you are not good with selecting font styles, you can refer to the TikTok account that I showed you earlier. Step 4. Add inspirational music. Now that you have your video ready, all you need to do is to add music. You don't need to do the voiceover. Just add motivational music, then you're good to go. For music, you can browse on Google famous sad songs or motivational songs on TikTok. In this way, you can join the trend. Music is essential for TikTok. You can also see the background music of the accounts that I have shown you earlier. Now your video is all set and ready to be uploaded on TikTok. Now the question is, after doing all of these, how can we make money? The solution to that is affiliate marketing. You can go to clickbank.com. ClickBank functions as both an affiliate market and an online store for content creators. You can become an affiliate marketer and start promoting the links and sending traffic to as many items as you want right away. This is absolutely free. Sign up for an account, copy your affiliate link, and put it in your bio on TikTok. Be sure to search for offers that are connected to motivational quotes. Webinars, for example. ClickBank has a lot of clients, so you don't need to worry about selecting an offer that you want to promote. Now, do you think you can do this? You can earn thousands of dollars per month if you have the dedication and the courage to start. This information is useless if you don't act right away. Get started now. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you want to be a TikTok content creator? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.